ago or few years ago now, Obi akosa lie.
Tempenten kwa.
And you call your Ghana card as I call you cheap. Obi a company and send a cheap ira. Sam George, you will be paying you. More position. Okasa bebre to send the whole bar. Ghana Elena peace. Look, we are tired of you people your lies. If we cannot beat you, we insult you. Politics is a dirty game. What we should be to Ghana. Sam George, Corona so born giant. When Jack Corona so born eh?
Etikama president, one God, the Seer, wabe clash with Sam George. Ever SIM card registration size as Sam George person or the Ghana Hanum no. And someone one God, I can catch Sam George. Was it hey, Sammy, ye to me more, you be do what tell media. No one to the wood watch the one day, Amame. Ever comment section, I Penyah block media. That's what I said, need more. Over like this video, not that my subscribe button, some back like notification, latest updates, number to the wide your mama. Ever comments, as much as so. No share for so any be accurate. It is Sam George as Information Communication Minister. Mahama Memum, Obama Bre, Obama Mahama Bre in a way say Sam George is inconsistent. Or a double standard, and an appointment in be a useless appointment. Some way, somehow, be more or less as useless appointment because you want to be Sam George area, but Bosun be your jacket as Information Communication Minister. But you who being to me can't tell me Sam George by and why ya a dear way. Boy, my conquering oh, self what I said Bosun be your jacket dear. Obakai February Anna, you call ministerial vetting. And who is Sam George by as then Minister for Information designate. Or better than a whole, I know what to say. Nyami Adma 225 there's the need for SIM card re-registration. Or can say withdrawing the ministerial vetting. A whole and the assembly a 2 year. Oh, yeah, Edogo PMO Parliament House. That was when he was appointed as Information Communication Minister. At the first Parliament, and also the assembly, or say, see, there's some George. I'm going to take a phone in a 3 months. Okay. 205 there will be a SIM card re-registration. Just a year because it didn't already start at that. It is about another registration to be a re-registration. Emma later the date by na say date by na a year June 2025 na kana e was a registration as a cost but ehun e yante hwe bibia ahamba bibia ama ona say bibia sa NC Emma na man focus na Sam George ada ni refi say o kan na say we ana say dey o the refi no home ana say e di asemo na recently somewhere July August mu ana Sam ko pie mu e wo Joy News na ho no e dey say Sam na we din ko bi say be SIM card re-registration e wo Ghana na e ho asem it say Sam say oh no part of correction no enya SIM card registration SIM card registration because there wasn't any registration.
You announced that it's going to happen again.
Yes.
You announced that now I can sit in my house and re-register, right?
It's not a re-registration, it's a registration. You would be doing a re-registration if there was a registration in the first place.
But there was a registration.
There wasn't anything.
I went to re-register.
There was a sham. There was a sham. There was a hoax. There was a hoodwinking of Ghanaians. You know, an unfortunate episode in the history of our country. Irresponsible public governance, to put it lightly, where Ghanaians were told they were registering. Meanwhile, no registration was happening.
I mean, but if that is the case, how do you say that? And I'm wondering, somebody must be held accountable. You can't just say that it was a hoax. We spent resources, both private and public. I'm just reading some analysis say the MNOs probably spend more than 25 million CDs on this. Government definitely would have had skin in the game also.
Sure.
Why is nobody being held accountable and responsible for that?
Early days yet, the Attorney General has a responsibility to hold everyone who holds public office. And today
have you armed the Attorney General with anything?
We have sent some information to him, and we're still building further evidence and sending to the Attorney General. Look, I sit in this chair today mindful of the fact that tomorrow I won't be here, and my actions and inactions will be held accountable. And that's what those who occupied this seat before appear to be oblivious to. Because when you look at the brazen nature of their reckless actions, it leaves you asking yourself, do these people love this country to start with? Do they understand what it means to be Ghanaian? And do they understand the weight of responsibility that sits on your shoulder when you hold the high office of Minister of State? Because I cannot for the life of me imagine how today, vested with this responsibility, I will act in such a reckless manner. To take the country down the road for 2 years, between 2021 and 2023, claiming that you were doing registration, taking the biometrics of citizens and not cross-managing them well, in flagrant disregard of our data protection laws and our cybersecurity laws. I mean, people must have a certain modicum of respect for the Ghanaian.
Meanwhile, during ministerial vetting, okay, say a SIM card re-registration.
Mr. Speaker, one of the key things that we need to do, which I stated emphatically during my vetting, was a proper SIM re-registration. And we don't need to do just a SIM re-registration, we need to do a central equipment identity register.
At the floor of Parliament, okay, say a SIM card re-registration. But OBPM joined this, no, said there wasn't any registration. That's Samia Sanano. Was a Sanano. Emmanuel Chin, go PM TV3. And Hono, and I got two just say SIM card registration is not a becosono. And can I was about 225 years? And Yamas, name no. You heard the move quiet. July 2026. Same. You want a son, no, you want a son, as I may. You want a son, as I won't to me, Sammy to me, you want to be. What I mean, no because Samia than a press conference minister. What than a press conference minister. Now, the way no, and as soon as we are say, Kama president, one God is here, Sammy. Yeni abri okrom hanemu. Yeni abre. O nim say adwanu ntimi akotena se. E dey be asem ne yenya time and waste as chip bia na say wo ye mistake and ensem a Kama president one God is here. E catch Sam George no. Enye easy.
Mayesa ama sema pharmacy o. Mejeja me ho ama sema pharmacy. Hwede ma Sam George bobo boni nyina kire say wonya ya anka registration of our SIM card no ebesenya basu bi na me pese me busa say problem bi awo ha na Sam George e de na wahu sika no pese fa kontru kwan so GBD and I said then pan hand
na bema o se na yehwe ni de o da o abobra osofo sango for John Dramani mama president papa ya chia no
ojo so
ewiase de bia ye ka se sabi kokona sinanga se mu no ne ho ohen oso oja boni ane made mu nja ye se aboa sebo oso okome ka ba ye oja na mo we anenye de atoto na nye de ade awo obewe John Dramani mama wa fa no si for ma emnantie bia wa appoint to omo as ministers as politicians no omegun enu ase tell you ka say Ghana politician 99 poverty beings omo ye hiafo ana mo ko school ana mo de ne den abe ruli abe di party chi ana appoint to omo ye hiafo na MPP ni NDC de mo beji mo ni so okromu a asrafo ebe kama sedem amaji mo ni so okromu a because we the Sam George ye krono wo so bo ma
yes
ye krono fita bloody light ana Sam George person running Ghana for Asia Ghana for John Dramani mama fancy form na nkola we go ni ase few 2-3 years ago or 4 years ago na obi akosa line
tempenten kwa
ene akoya Ghana card esa akoya ye chip obi a company say the chip ayra obi a company say o problem MTN Airtel any other networks no obi am abonten emeka say you problem say ni say Sam George you will be pay you more position o kasa bebre to say the whole bar Ghana Olenia peace look we are tired of you people your lies if we cannot beat you we insult you politics is a dirty game what me chobia to Ghana Sam George corona be so born jai when ja corona so born yan kasa bebre we threats mama ana ida so gu ni so because the oye no e corona the nation need job obaye uwunya sa se honorable o create fishing job kwa kakra ama pampa fo nya biaye obaye communication no o kasa o create job wo ama nkoye nya biaye na mo sa de aka abeto Ghana fo so na no yire e no ma ejomonim politicians mo ba brokrom wa mo ma ba ya konsapafo mo yire no e depends e be free asasi so because esu Ghana fo su na luguma pampa so mo ya klonfo we are crowfo it John Dramani mama so also to o manefo a enum guaso be face no ultimate take you will regret coming again because now saying obo aduma ama obi ebo abaso Sam George Ghanaians are not going to fall for this your scam. Change your ways. So Manusi.
Asam no kure yanto sebi. Ochiamia wonim kasa osenana wasomwa Sam George ma otimu nya wode na wo ye young guy wunyini ye nyandi 50 year 47 kura wunya ye you are just around 43 to 45 years when nya broso na 47 ti so abrabo ye so abrabo in the politics na do akwakodua enya sapa de anka ye no nyina na twi street
Itimesa, the late Itimesa, the longest parliamentary when you baby call. This one I don't know.
You see,
they don't know smart and then the kwaba. Now, mama, and now person you see your boys no. Oh, I did a cow.
You see,
Obono kadina ko school near daddy na. Mama call no no. Itimesa call no no. Papa no go Bolivia. Yo. So just here.
Kona koda.
Now look at my also politicians Emma and no more you know and no one so baby who love for. Because of Omano and Suno, Omabre, any pensu, Egua so, any pensu, Egua Sassiso, Nina, so many papa go for Yanamu, good on Yakupo, any masse, as a good president, any masse. Ah, Oba for Juama, Mobile Kakwa, Mobile Samuel Nasa, Jimmy Kwana, Mutimogana say, very stupid leaders. Stupid! Who never chip with the church, Obama so church pa, boys Pedumaye, educated bees. Apedumaye, more finance as some ba Osabe J Sika, so we church, Obama chip Sam George. Position Amojeno, someone knowledge about it, leave the position, and those who can help the nation to come and control. Then America said Ghana always appoint hypocrisy beings. Hypocrisy beings are beings who cannot do the work, but because of to know, and I know them, they're not show no more. Very foolish. Move off pa. I want to catch up with you. One of us a say, where your typical chrono, where your chrono, mama, where your chrono, where your chrono. And you see, a chrono, Ghana, a chrono, Ghanaians don't fall for this. Ghana for your cheap reappearance. Says the kind of what's I call you at the strategy no. More country Duma.
Ninya Dumano.
Now you can, are you body? Any na do any to so why dey can't you somebody supply kono almost was sorty Ghana was ase and so obi wunya say yanya farm no na export by there export board here exporting toes now o man nya sika but dey bia no bo sam gwaje ba na mo de madwe ye kwan ye we na ma che na one na ire ene de ma no komba wo bo say mo politicians mo no mo ye no mo ma President, but Kumo, Yale Body, but Kumo, one of my enemy, Mama Ghana for Belodo, I call for
Piao. At that point, any behuno, any behun at Tenantany. Now, some bonus is what a better can.
Every Bamoye, who some George Yoka was some sa, and DS also tell sa,
and then the old by
Baba,
the same thing.
And now what Usuachia, Onaya Kosumu, Onaya Kosumu, or a Fabra, Puputubra, or Pearson Lagana say, if you don't know, politics is a dirty game. If you don't do the right thing, we will sort you. We will sort you to our last blood. What you like you kumba? Or Bill Wama, or Sako Sayu registration. No, me say someone decide to say bow. Me, I will leave the demonstration in Ghana here. I will make sure the whole world we have a Ghana.
Correct.
Alright, you're junior now. I say go school. If the school yakwa, bloody by so well now. School yakwa, and the water can't be carried now. Mubupumra.
Yo.
Mama na wata mo gunu ni mase mubupumra na no kama bese ministers bi e de jodo mama akoto boso kese so adan ya ye dane na adwen se omo ye bibia anaso we bia mama ye de etimi nka bad accident any play club no come rough off because we are thieves we are crowfo and your crowfo kwa do chichoko bokro no where is your crown no scam and am we Ghana no so Sam George money now no be so Ghana say we minister onye obi a utomobi ni we minister onye obi a ubomewu ye tama o titi nipa no Ghana say you are one Sam George money now
don't even make any attempt
on try hard here
man try why
I'm try hard here see ejiji okroma no man as we go na go school won mo go school so nya sanu muti nonsense muni bi ye kenkan kwa
Abe kabra officer no
Bro for babe.
Bro for nyanya.
You call no papa mo. Papa na dey papa mo.
You wan ka
papa mo. E dey no yo.
O kwanse to.
Be water pot ko wan bi. E dey no papa mo. Me mo tu ka say na yire na he dey unim nyansa. Ye be yo ko so ba di so ba na ejuma. O yire bi o be no ye. O yire wa ko so bi o be no ye. Mo na mo pese. Ha! MP before the mayor of the ATS no will not sit there and watch any politician in Ghana again to come and fool the nation again.
See, ajobre. Na abayi so unsusu so yare me dem hu so yare for asa na adwene mo kan asa modi. O kire se o wolumba secret bi pa.
Kire wa adwene ma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Brook Media. Agra.